Kajing ang note balas lamban yo ya ka Mawhati Community and Rural Development C&RD block kala Urlong haka arpusan tari ukula lengkot arja arpusan haka bala wan ban play pat ba ya ka do menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma. Ya ka lang play lapan long haka madan school juga Saint Vianney Higher Secondary School ha soalan haka balai don lang daw menteri break mi ya ka tanat Community and Rural Development U80 Mondal UMLA ka sning constituency u Dr. Celestine Lingdo UMLA ka Mawhati u ba Charles Marngar u Deputy Commissioner Boy District Abilash Baranwal ki officer lem ki noyalam snong bat ki pat ba ka Mawhati constituency na ki snong baper. Habakran hakadigasgi nagalyang ba Charles Marngar ulapan pau ya ka jingkman ka bakraw bat ka jing sngongu ya ka sarkar jela ka balala man pan urlong ya ka jing ang no jong kipat ba Urlong ru ba komunong mikman lada dai bu syam ya ka rai ban Pynïasoh ila dia bat ka parti NPP ka bayalam ya ka sarkar kani ka jing ang no jong kipat ba kanam urlong kumba kalong menta
ka jing sngongu ka bakraw haka ka jing pa sliu jangan lapan urlong hakani sni the chief minister jong gejala ke jong usah konrat sama. Ngai kublai gerbang yang chief minister ublak pen urlong yang kena kecing pulang. Ngalah balong udah chief minister ubak tan kekin hendai dakam. Cua bahan jong NPP kena kewai nak kecing kawan. Kecing kerpat jangan bat sisa kalau urlong. Kecingyo jongi ya ka blok ka batmai. Kadai ko weipat ka lenang na ka chapter ka batmai. Jong ka Mawhati constituency. Hadin san pu Arsenal. Ka bangyo ya ka jela ka jongi. Mental yo ya ka C&RD block hangai Mawhati. Kumu MLA jongpi berkelajit yang berpenjam. I have my responsibility. Nadal kecikit pilih. Lada kau percaya kekeren lamsanya. Sisian mengasim ya kecikit pilih. Menghabannya cekmai. Lada mendapat baik jangan konstitusi. Lama nasutu lada nadon hakajuk kejagaan. Kemawhati jongi dan cinta. Lada baca semangat umsakran nyempat yo ika C&RD blok mendat sini. Lada baca semangat umsakran umpat yo ini disuruh bagi babi. Ijat benru lidahnya lada hidu pau baca. Lada hidu pau. Nasyapan absolut ikan osin haborna. Kejingkeli galong. Ipara bay perta ijay problem. Klanyo si miskol ro lati. Nakabukura. Ba biye. Kawai ka mga kwa kanong ko. Ni chief minister of the cabinet. Ilan si siya ikatong gunora ikaroy ka pa ng kajala ka sa. Ay bakiway kit gran ikit ko. Nday mangipat to ni mangitili. Manitray la ka kam ban punod ikakorban say. Kebetulan kami ini ipai ba, berkumpul ini jengkan di sana. Kalau mengidai badan itu semua.
Nakaliang menteri rang ba habakran kumukong san hagaringasngi ulaong. Ba ka jingyo ya ka Mawhati C&RD block kan long ka jingker ku ka bakraw ipai ba jong ki hinriu penrut lagi snong ha Mawhati constituency. Hagaju ko por lo batha ru yo menteri bari kmi ikatnat U80 Mondal bon penmang tingkano hapo ki kendat tayo banwan na ka benta ban sna ya ka yeng building jong ka block.
Umsling block was so big. As I said, it takes hours sometimes for people to come. And therefore, keeping that aspect in mind, even the pressure that was there under Umsling block for the officials to work to cover the area affected the kind of quality of service that we could provide at the grassroots level. And hence, as correctly mentioned by the Honourable Minister, that this will not only help the people of Mawhati constituency, but will also ensure that the overall services within the Umsling block is also improved. And the infrastructure was never improved. It is this NPP-led government that decided that we must provide new infrastructure to all block offices. It has never happened before. First time it happened. And right now the construction is going on for all the blocks. Let me assure our MLA and all of you, and I would like to request our Honourable Minister that we should immediately sanction within the next few weeks, we should sanction the new building also for the Mawhati block so that work can start immediately. We have given to all the blocks, and as correctly mentioned by the Honourable Minister, this is the youngest child, so maybe the youngest child will get the most attention also. So we will ensure that the block office building also is done at the earliest. I would want that within a matter of weeks, keeping in mind the election code of conduct and other issues, whatever is there, that the block building should be sanctioned at the earliest. And therefore now, throughout the state, you are seeing all the block offices are getting new buildings. And this is being done with that vision that we would want to see the block office becoming one of the main administrative front end for government services, so people can get 100% of the services from the block office itself. With that vision, we are improving the infrastructure. Very soon, almost I think right now 40% to maybe even 50% of the blocks are now being connected with optical fibers.
Habakran berkikat tu kat negi riurang ba bat kinoi lam snong jongki snong Mawhati constituency kilapen pau ya ka jingkmen bat airu ka jingero ya nomi khmat bat kumju ya ka sarkar jilla ki plus ngam bat pen Urlong ya ka ni ka jing angnot ka jongki ban yo no la ka jong ka C&RD block. Kum ban syukro ka Mawhati C&RD block kan dei ka basan pohun rio na ki wepat ki C&RD block ha ka jilla bat ya ka nega block la jiet ya ka jaka ban bu ha ka snong soalan bat kin don kumbah riu pun ru tli ki snong hapo jong ka Mawhati C&RD block.
Hadir muka deka C&RD block mentaka sini Urlong ini kalian kaseng ngidap sha dek jing sukumen sha ba la ka tu kisnam ngila dawa bat ye la ya tristom ban pun Urlong ya kan C&RD block Andrei mentaka sini pat ada kasni kabakan ka C&RD block mentaka lapli ngidap sha daka diskumen kalian jongka seng jongi jongka Mawhati circle bat kumjuro lengba ka jing tristom jong patas Marngar mulai jeng Mawhati ya kata ru ya badai miro nya hab ai ka jing ro iru baldam dei lengba jong iru thai kan ka C&RD block perwanta lengba ka jing trailang ka kum ka tim hilong kum ka segbalang bat nakalang go meleru ba kan ka C&RD block takasni kelapoi hne bat nakalang kasang ismo kuman ba kan kalawan hne banlong kum koi ka jing penroi le ka kakam ko balong ban pusuk ikpat ba jong ka Mawhati hi bor kawai kum bangi lathang na du munsua
nakaliang ka jungi hoat kini ka jing dawa nak bentaban yo ya kini ka Mawhati C&RD block kalong kepala Islam ha na du kupor kepala Islam ki MLA ki ba ala ki ba man haswaru kala don kini ka jing majphang ka bede ban play kini ka block handai ma menta ka si ka dei ka si jingman ka jing sa jingkan mau yangi kum kinong yalam snong kani ka por khamtam e kinong yalam snong ki ba kantup ko jo kani ka Mawhati C&RD block ha ka bangi lala ban yo I dala ki jong ki kmat badru bangi lala ban ong ba kani ka lolong ka maka jingpo sniu jongi ka lolong ka ba Urlong na ka banta jongi bat kamtam e kanong ka jingkurku na ka banta ki pajba nong snong jong ka ni ka dong ka than jongi jong ka Mawhati constituency hi ka jongi ka ba kani ka block kan sak ai ka jing sekli na ka banta jongi nakaliang ka jongi ngi ai ka jing kuble ya I chief minister bodon burom jongi sa Konrad Sangma ya ka jing hai khmat ka jongi na ka banta kani ka dong ka than jongi kamtam e ban wan play bat ban ai ya kani ka block hang ni hapo ka Mawhati nakabanta ki jingdon kam jungi ki pajba nong snong jok Mawhati
Habatin pej bahagi ki shop ka shop plus F
ka plus F
hakabam bangi bam duna ki eki bataye kamet namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang ka dot pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pindon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba Ko Office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya